What is happening, gang? You already know this girl, Dream Chasing Geo, man. And today, we about to do another installation. Yes, a new mod. It's going on the inside, not the outside. Got some stuff coming for the outside. Y'all stay tuned for that. But I already got the stars, you know what I'm saying? It's already lit up in there. But I always wanted to add another thing around the dash. So, I went ahead and ordered the L wire. So you already know what's about to go on. I'm back with another banger. Alright guys, y'all see this? This is the L wire. I already took it out the bag, but it wasn't just all that kind of bad. So we're gonna see. We're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, y'all, so ooh, man. My bad. So, alright, what I'm gonna have to do is some stuff I don't want to do. I don't know. I really don't like installing stuff on my own because I always seem to mess it up. But, hey, I'm a dream chaser. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try to get this thing to go all around here. If I got enough left, it will go around here too. So, we're going to see. We're going to see, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, this is how it looks lit up. Oh, man. Hey, this thing about to be clean. Y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. So, they sent this in the package. I guess it's to do this. I don't even like doing that. It just seemed like I'm breaking something. But that is how I'm going to install the L wire. I'm going to just go in between the little cracks and pop it up a little and then push that thing up on in there. You know what I'm talking about? But let's see. First things first, what I'm going to do is untangle this, which I did. Man, this thing is long. I might have some extra left over. We'll see. So at the end of the wire, I have this, which goes into this right here. Then you plug it in. I decided to start right here and bring it all the way around for the simple fact that it ends right here. So pushing it in. Alright, you see right here where it seems to be getting a little stuck. Let's see. Might have to push this. Push this up a little bit. Alright guys, so I got a lot of wire left. Like a lot left. So what I'm gonna do is go another level, I'm thinking. So it's kind of difficult getting it in this part, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in here. That way this part will be a little lit up too, since this is already lit right here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright gang, so I finally finished getting that thing installed. I just ran it as y'all seen me trying to do. I just ran it like that, came around. Now you can either plug it in that one, or you could plug it inside this one. Me personally, I prefer the one inside the armrest, only because I already use this stuff. I don't like all that cord and everything everywhere. But y'all ready? Y'all ready to see how it look? Hey, I think I did a pretty good job as far as installing it. It was actually easy. Ooh. Hey, I like that. What do y'all think? What do y'all think, man? Comment below and let me know if I did a good job. Comment below to let me know if I did a good job. Alright guys, so this does conclude my video for today. I do appreciate y'all for coming through, checking me out, watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Drop below in the comments though, for real. Let me know what y'all think about this little mod. You see it's yellow. Okay, I'm feeling that as well. But hey, with that being said, always chase your dreams. Don't let nobody or nothing stop you from what you trying to do. You know what I'm saying? We going up all 2020 and beyond, man. With that being said, your girl Dream Chaser Geo is out.
I'm chasing dreams. 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 I'm chasing dreams.